Well, welcome to a new Dave's Classic Garage Tours video and another visit to Maranello Pur-sang. Last time here I almost wet myself rediscovering the roof-mounted switch panel in the Alfa 90.
Oh, crikey, yeah, and I forgot. The old switches up top. Wicked.
While the lads contemplated setting up a brewery.
Proper English brown ale, that is.
The next batch will be stout.
Yeah.
There's still some work to go on the Ferrari 400.
I need to weld. I am really close to the carburetor. I'm scared.
And it's a case of will it, won't it, with the Alfa 90. So let's get to it, shall we?
Oh my gosh. You can't.
We have to dispose of a few.
An environmentally responsible way. It's actually being done, folks. Treacle's being poured into a Commodore.
Treacle or treacle? It's molasses.
Yeah. Well, it's been nice knowing you, Ute. Oh my God. Smell it here.
You did a video when you put in the car? Serious?
Yeah. Wanna know if it's gonna work. See if he's
Come tomorrow.
see if he's gonna come back to
If he's coming to work.
Yeah, exactly.
What he's going to do is he's going to strain it.
You're gonna put the other stuff in?
No, no.
The first one?
Yeah, but you're going to hold it. It's going to just sink.
Oh my gosh.
Now the bucket is 10 litre. 4-6 litre on the floor.
Yeah.
A little bit out.
Oh my
There you
God.
go. Look, 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 look.
Get it pouring.
Muovelo.
Oh my gosh. Fire hazard.
Put some booster in there anyway. Diesel cleaner, the petrol cleaner. Hey Bello, you go to
Costco.
You go to Costco back here with this battery.
I didn't know we had Scottish staff in here. Bloody flipping tight ass going and put that crap in your flipping.
Dave, you want to hear my stories? This stuff's good, mate. This is like premium whiskey, mate. You don't understand.
You're not paying him enough. Is that what it is?
No, he just doesn't listen. He's part Scottish. Let's get a filter.
So going on some quality workmanship here.
I need to weld. I'm really close to the carburetor.
Good, what?
I need to weld. I am really close to the carburetor.
Uh-huh.
I'm scared. Come si dice in Italia, mi sto a fare cacca sotto.
Whatever you say.
Pizzica.
Well, we got a hole, we got what needs.
No, we don't go. He's missing a nut on top of the exhaust, so I cannot put the cover back on. He's missing the front nut.
Yeah.
I got these two, but not this one on the exhaust.
Oh, all preparation here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Point out where you're welding.
Yeah. You see, the nut on these things, exhaust.
Yeah, where's the...
The nut is over there. Come on this side. This side.
Where am I looking
Here.
at? Oh, that one there, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you're putting you're welding the nut
Yeah.
onto it. I gotcha. Where is it there? That one there. Okay, so you're welding that on it. Rightio. Where's my welding mask? Well, look, hang on. There we are. Let me look away.
Done. So I need to put the cover back on because
Yeah,
before
I'll
there was
do
no
it.
cover on this engine. So what the person ever built this engine didn't put any cover on the exhaust. The exhaust got super hot here, almost red. If the carburetor start leaking, catch fire. That's it.
Yeah.
So at least the cover protect the heat of the exhaust. It doesn't.
So it came out of the factory with no cover.
No, come with the factory no cover. But somebody built the engine. They did put the cover
I
back
didn't
on.
put it back on, right, okay.
So we finally find it and we are put back
I
on.
got you. Understand, comprende.
I don't know if you comprehend the
Comprende, sorry. Okay, so here we go.
Ready?
Moment of truth.
So this is the cover need to be on the exhaust.
What was that made of?
Aluminium with high. I don't know what they call. You need protection inside between the two aluminium.
For the heat. Yeah. Well, Mr. Leonardo, I forget your surname. I like it, even if it's generally not that well regarded. Mind you, I love that as well. Hello, hello, hello. We're trying again, huh? Come on, baby. So let me just let it hang on. Let me get it. Oh yeah.
Silver Lodge. HLE. colder spark plug.
A what?
They're cold. Holden. There was 2 HL, 25 HL, and HLs.
That's straight from.
That's
what's
original.
the original, yeah.
So what we're going to do, take them out, change them. I'll put another set in and keep these ones.
Put them in a little glass cabinet.
It's trying to start on 2 cylinders at least. See, that one's completely fouled up. You might find there might be 1 cylinder that it's okay, and that's where it's running on. But these spark plugs, unless the engine's not burning, it is 100%. They're not very good.
Right.
They just don't last. Once they get a bit of contamination on them, they fail up.
Last one.
Last one, it's all wet. Pretty much wet.
Yeah. They're all the same, yeah? They all come out the same. Okay. Oh, look. Looks like you're putting a violin case in there.
A guitar.
They've been stock. Thingo. Can't brand it out. Can't sponsor Thingo.
Holden overseas.
I'll put them on this side.
Try this. Try this.
You done these 2?
Happy days. Look at that, sweet as a nut. Was it telling you? It's good, yeah. Yes, I thought it did. I thought you were.
No, I think the injectors might be sticking a little bit because it needs a good run. 2 cylinders not firing properly, but now they've sort of picked up.
Cool.
Cool.
You happy?
Thank you.
How's that?
I'm happy.
You happy?
You're happy?
You got it going? I'm happy.
Oh, good. So, was it timing out much?
No, only a little bit.
So just
I set it all when I changed the belt. And I just wanted to double check it was close. It's only a couple of degrees out.
so you just
I just adjusted it.
and what you waiting for the fan to come
Just
on
the fan
now?
to come on, yeah. It's getting quite warm, so it should be close.
Got a,
I haven't seen it for about 10 years.
is that a leak in the rad or is that steam?
Steam.
Oh, just
A little bit of warm on it.
oh yeah.
So normally when the thermostat opens up, the radiator will get really hot. And if there's any moisture on it, it'll just start steaming.
Yeah. There we go.
For a car that's been sitting for 10 years,
So mate, yeah.
you should be very happy.
Be sure of seeing whatever I read about that you don't see in the UK. It always seems to come pass through here. If you love this video, you're going to absolutely love this one. So click on the screen and watch that, and I'll see you in the next video.